Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining the task and why protection matters. Spray contains fine mist, solvents can degrade materials. Once done, measure your hand circumference and finger length so you can match glove sizes precisely. Make sure to note dominant hand and whether you need added grip or chemical resistance. Next, sort sample glove materials: nitrile for puncture and solvents, neoprene for heavy chemicals, cotton liners for comfort. These first actions save time and prevent buying the wrong glove. You now narrow choices and test performance so purchase is confident. Try gloves on and perform movement trials. Pick up small screws, twist a jar lid, simulate a brush stroke to check dexterity and tactile feedback. Once done, evaluate grip patterns and cuff length for paint fallout and splash protection. Make sure to read thickness and standards. Higher mill thickness gives durability but reduces sensitivity. If using solvents, verify chemical resistance charts. You finish by fitting and caring for the glove to extend life and safety. Put on the chosen glove, check for pressure points, and ensure about 0. 5 to 1 cm slack across the palm for movement. Seal cuffs with tape if splash risk is high. After each job, rinse and dry, inspect for pinholes and wear. If you notice tearing or chemical breakthrough, stop use immediately, switch to a thicker or different material, and replace compromised gloves to avoid exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.